Hello YouTube, UAV Mark here with a quick review of the Ling Chen LS-111. Okay, here we have it with the CX-10 and the H1 Skywalker. They're all pretty similar size. Yeah, so there you can see the comparison side by side. I will say that CX-10 is the lightest, then the Ling Chen is slightly heavier, and the heaviest would be the Skywalker, but they're not that different from each other. The Ling Chen has the smallest props compared to the other two. It also, with the Ling Chen, it spins, the motors spin the opposite way compared to most other quads that I've got. As you can see, these would spin that way, similar to that, whereas this one, it spins up. It doesn't make any difference, it just saying it does spin the opposite way. Okay, remotes, controllers are pretty similar, as you can see, except the LS-111 is slightly smaller, just a tiny bit smaller than the other two, for whatever reason, but not that much smaller that you'd care. But what I will say, this thing is fast on high rates, and the yaw rate on it is unbelievable. The fastest yaw rate I've seen on the NANO quad. Lights stay on. Yes, I'll switch on. I put a little bit of tape because I wanted to protect the bare board. A little bit of electrical tape. Give them a little fly. Instructions are pretty useless. It's a bit Chinglish, can't really understand it. You've got USB charger like the others. Yeah, and what I was going to say is calibration. I think it auto calibrates personally, because I've tried this calibration thing and it's supposed to pull the stick back like that. See, it binds automatically as well. You don't have to put the thing up. You got 3 rates on it by pushing the left stick back. But yeah, the auto calibration is supposed to go like that. Light's supposed to go on. Doesn't really do anything. The control calibration sort of does something, but it's not. It starts spinning and yawing on its own, which is pretty pointless. So I think it auto calibrates on its own. So yeah, give it a little quick flight. And we'll start off. Yeah, the yaw rate is does move up with the rates. So what we on there? So that's high. Start on low. Give them a little fly. Pretty stable. Yaw rate in low rates is pretty good, comparable to some quads I've flown in high rates, to be fair. So turn him up. I think am I in high rates now? Yeah, I've turned him up to high rates. Yeah, high rates is really twitchy, but it is fast. This is one of the fastest yaw rate nanos I've ever seen. I mean, look at that yaw rate. Unbelievable. It's that fast, it's just a blur. It's pretty hard to come out of the spin, to be fair, because it's that fast. And it is very twitchy in high rates, but it's very fast. See if I can do some funnels on the high rates. Alright, here we go. Hold on, let's trim it a little bit. Come on, do a flip. Flip is right stick down. You'll hear the beep. Then it flips, as you can see. Alright, let's see if we can do some funnels. This thing is crazy fast. And it's probably easier to fly in mid rates with the 2 beeps. That's more your standard. It's probably easier to do funnels like that in mid rates, which is fast enough by anybody's standards, to be fair. But with high rates, it is crazy. This thing is crazy. Awesome. Awesome. I mean, look at that for a funnel on high rates. That is, it's spinning on the 1 motor pod. It's that fast. Whoa. This thing is insane. Insane. Insanely fast. And yeah, I've flown it outside and it's pretty cool. I'll keep it inside for today, just for the demo. But yeah, durability wise seems pretty strong. I've had no issues. I've lost a prop, but that was down to me. Yeah, pretty cool. The yaw rate is out of this world. You could just let it yaw spin. I mean, that's like one-handed. Well, here we go. Get it away from the door. Yeah, you can do this one-handed. It just stays on the spot. If you watch, here's my hand, one-handed, and look at that yaw. I can walk around it, and I'm not actually doing anything. It's doing slowly. It's running out of juice a bit now. You can see it's starting to be a bit slow, but thing's amazing. Probably the best, fastest nano I've had yet. It'd be tough to beat this one, to be fair. Love it. And yeah, the yellow. You can get it. I think you can get it in different colours. Not sure on that one. I just went for the yellow anyway, as it's a different colour to all the other ones I've got. But crazy yaw rate. A lot of fun. Just watch, it's mesmerising how fast it goes. It's too fast, but yeah, great. Yeah, low battery warning is pretty good on it as well. Don't think you can do flips in low battery, no. But see how long it lasts on low battery. And she dies. And there we have it, the Lingchen LS-111. A really fast Euro, really good flyer. Recommend to everybody. This is an awesome little cheap quad. Better than most of the rest. Okay, that's me out. See you later, guys.